Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Are you ready for the absolute biggest Apple chaos in history? Stop whatever you are doing right now. The entire tech world is shaking. Apple just launched the brand new iPhone 17 yesterday, but they are hiding an even bigger secret. The heavily rumored 2026 iPad 12th generation is dropping at any moment. If you buy an old tablet today, you will deeply regret it by tomorrow. You need to hold on to your money. The leaks are absolutely insane right now. Let me tell you exactly what is happening behind closed doors at Apple. This is going to change everything we know about budget tablets. The hype started exploding when the most famous leakers on X, formerly Twitter, dropped massive bombs. These are people who never get it wrong. First, the legendary Mark Gurman posted from his verified account. He stated that the entry-level iPad 12 is finally getting the A18 chip. It is also getting 8 GB of RAM. This is a massive jump in power. He said Apple Intelligence is coming to the budget lineup. This is a complete game changer. You will get the smartest AI tools on a very cheap device. Then the famous supply chain expert Ming-Chi Kuo tweeted to his massive audience. He confirmed we should expect the new iPad to feature the N1 wireless chip. This means Wi-Fi 7 speeds will be standard out of the box. Your internet speeds will be faster than ever before. Another top verified leaker named Abhishek Yadav posted on X saying the Apple iPad 12th Gen will drop soon. He noted it gets a massive memory bump to 8 GB. He called it a true budget powerhouse. Display analyst Ross Young also joined the frenzy. He tweeted that the display remains a 10.9-inch LCD at 60 Hz. Apple is saving cost by keeping the non-laminated screen. This helps keep the price very low for all of us. Finally, the trusted leaker Shrimp Apple Pro posted online. He said bright colors are coming, the flat aluminum edges will stay. He also mentioned the battery efficiency is going to be insane. These 5 major Twitter leaks from the most trusted handlers prove this tablet is an absolute monster. But it does not stop there. One of the biggest international tech websites is saying the news is flooding in from all over the world right now. In the United States, McRumors reported a very strange move by Apple. They said Apple is skipping a traditional video presentation. Instead, they are hosting secret invite-only media events. Over in Japan, the famous site Makotakara published a highly detailed report. When translated to English, this confirms the new iPad will keep its current design, but it will focus completely on internal speed. Apple wants this thing to run incredibly fast. Meanwhile, Phone Arena from Europe reported that Apple is doubling the base storage. The new starting space jumps up to 128 GB. You will have so much room for games and movies. In India, the major publisher Sportskeeda pointed out a massive benefit. The 11-inch screen is much cheaper to repair. This makes it perfect for students. If you drop it, you will not go broke fixing it. Geeky Gadgets confirmed the ultimate detail that everyone was waiting for. The new tablet will hold its incredible starting price of just $349. This is shocking in today's economy. Finally, the ESR Tech blog noted the device will even support the Apple Pencil Pro. 6 different global publishers are all saying the exact same thing. Let us break down all these massive leaks into quick and easy details. Let us look at the performance power first. You get an A18 processor inside. You get 8 GB of RAM. It is completely Apple Intelligence ready. You get the Wi-Fi 7 chip for super fast internet. It has a faster neural engine. You get much smarter Siri integration. The battery will easily last you for 10 hours. Now let us look at the design. You get an 11-inch screen. It uses a non-laminated touch panel. It keeps the flat aluminum edges. It comes in bright new colors. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate. It has a landscape front camera. Screen repairs will be very cheap. Now let us look at the price and value. The starting price is just $349. The base model gives you 128 GB of storage. The maximum storage goes up to 512 GB. It is absolutely perfect for students. It is the ultimate family tablet. It is an unmatched tech deal. It will easily have a 5 years lifespan. Now, what does all of this actually mean for you? It means you are getting premium flagship power for simple pocket change. The A18 chip handles heavy gaming easily. It handles 4K video editing without breaking a single sweat. The massive jump to 8 GB of RAM is very important. It means your apps will never close in the background. You can jump between huge games and web browsers instantly. Apple Intelligence will let you rewrite boring emails. It will generate custom fun images instantly. By keeping the standard LCD screen, Apple saves a huge ton of money. They take those massive savings and pass them directly down to you. It is simply the best deal in tech right now. If you need a new tablet, the iPad 12 is an absolute no-brainer. Do not buy the more expensive iPad Air unless you need it for heavy professional work. The Air is just too expensive for normal daily tasks. Do not buy the older iPad 11 because it will quickly feel super outdated. It does not have those shiny new AI features. Apple has completely destroyed the entire competition with this single release. No other brand can give you this much raw power for only $349. The 128 gigabytes of starting storage changes the whole game. You will not have to pay extra money just to hold your basic photos and videos. The landscape camera means your video calls will finally look normal. You will not look like you are staring off to the side anymore. This is the perfect machine for watching movies in bed. It is the perfect machine for taking notes in a college class. It is the perfect machine for playing top-tier games on the couch. In my honest opinion, this is the greatest budget device Apple has ever created, giving people an A18 chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM for this cheap price is a total masterclass in tech value. It makes artificial intelligence accessible to everyone, not just the rich. I think this will be the best-selling tablet of the entire decade. It simply does everything you could ever ask for, and it does it fast. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.